Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Transportation has typically been a challenge for people in general. So we'd like to see how we can explore. We're trying to think outside the box and be very creative and really be customer focused.
And by next year, Guam Department of Labor Director Sam Mabini hopes to ease the trouble. This week, the Guam Regional Transit Authority passed a memorandum of agreement to provide DOL with one of its new MV1 5-passenger van.
From them, it would be one of their new vans. And from us, it would be utilizing our resources for, as far as people from our American Job Center in helping individuals who are trying to find jobs and getting to training or whatnot.
Just this year, the public transit started a new route that stops by the American Job Center in Antigua. Ever since, Mabini says it's been more than busy.
Which we had reported just in this last year an updated number of over 5,000, about 5,300 people who have actually visited American Job Center. Of course, those are some of repeats. But imagine 5,300 people coming, either they're coming through public transportation or private transportation. Some have the challenge of being able to get back on the bus to go to one of our other partner agencies where they may need additional documents.
Mabini says some of the places they plan to utilize the van will be at the Division of Vocational Rehabilitation at the DNA Building, the Adult Educational Program at GCC, and other places like Reverend Tax and Public Health.
So the challenge sometimes for them is getting to these various places. What we'd like to do is accommodate them, help ease the process by providing transportation.
And because this is a pilot program, she says this will be at no cost to the clients.
This is actually a service that we at the American Job Center will be providing for our participants. Now, of course, we're going to have to create a schedule of the routing among the different partners so that it'll be regular, so people know that they can get on the bus, or maybe it could be on demand.
And while it's just one van for now, Mabini hopes this partnership will lead to more in the future.
I encourage our partners, whether it's a nonprofit or even one of our public agencies, if they may have a van that can help augment and support this kind of initiative, we welcome it.
The MOA still needs to be signed by the governor and the Attorney General for final approval. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.